Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power sources. Plug into a known good charger and cable, and watch for any LED or vibration. If nothing appears, perform the forced restart for your model. Hold power and volume for 10 to 30 seconds to clear a soft crash. Once done, inspect the charging port visually and use compressed air or a plastic pick to remove lint. That often restores contact. Make sure to test alternate wall outlets and USB ports to rule out faulty power sources before moving on. Next, focus on the battery and boot environment. If the phone has a removable battery, replace it with a charged spare for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm battery failure. For sealed batteries, use a phone battery tester or specialized charging dock to verify voltage. Do not attempt crude jump-starting that can damage circuitry. Once battery health is confirmed, attempt to boot into recovery or diagnostic mode using device-specific key combinations or manufacturer PC tools to repair firmware. For final recovery, perform a factory restore through recovery mode or manufacturer PC software. Back up any accessible data before you proceed because this erases the device. If software restore fails and diagnostics indicate hardware faults, arrange battery replacement or motherboard repair with a reputable shop. One key troubleshooting tip: if the phone remains unresponsive, safely disconnect the battery for 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect and try a different certified charger. This can reset protection circuits and sometimes revives devices that seem completely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.